So guys, it's GoldenBushCraft here, and this video is my EDC. Okay, let's get right down to it. This is my wallet. For video purposes, it doesn't have anything in it, and it is a money clip. Coolest part about this is pretty little knife right here. Dull as heck, but pretty little knife there. I also believe it has a nail file and scissors that probably actually. This is my EDC, remember this. I'll do a review of this actually. That's through paper. So that's good. I don't use it anything else, but I don't use it for anything else but the wallet function. So put all my cards in there because it has my student card, my weight room membership card. Oh. I'm sorry, my student card just it went inside my student card. It was really weird. Now my student card is a little messed up. So next thing is also another thing that everybody should have. Well, not everybody. I mean, if you don't need it, you don't need it. Cell phone. It's a Samsung. Rogers is my provider. Pay as you go. Good phone. I like it. Texting. Full QWERTY keyboard. So yeah, that's that. I like the phone I just got a few weeks ago. As I said, Dad, I was doing something. I was just like, Dad, I haven't charged this in a month. He's just like, you've even had it for a month, and I'm just like, oh. So anyway, that's my cell phone I bought. That is a Dorno, no power at all, but it is good for listening to music, and that's all I need it for. And I guess playing some apps, but I don't really play apps as much as I did when I first got it. Okay, here I might as well just put this in really quickly. I haven't really carried this yet at all, but I used to carry this all the time, and I think I'm going to start carrying this. It's a flashlight. We are hiring. It's for the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, because I do live in Canada. So that is that. Back to my dog to be barking because I just heard my cat meow, and they don't get along. I carry this sometimes, but I would put this in my EDC, because if I'm not at school or anything, then I won't carry it. Usually. It is, I don't know the maker of it, but I like it. It gets all my jobs done that I needed. Ow. I didn't cut myself at all, actually. I'm thinking about getting a new one. It's not that sharp. I'm thinking about getting a new one, but it's okay. It can cut through this paper that I already cut a little bit. No. Let me. And I'm gone for a second, and I'm back. This is the paper that I already cut with the scissors, so. Here, actually. It's actually doing a fair job of cutting this, I will admit. I got that off from just cutting it like that. Now we're going to try it a little bit thicker. Yeah, it can't go that thick. I probably could if I kept on shoving it for a minute. It's a mess. It's a mess. Oh, but anyway, I don't use knives that much, even though I like them a lot. I don't use them that much. But yeah, it's more of a collection than I use them. I just like to collect them. I don't really use them that much at all. But yeah, so that's my. How much time have I gone into this? Let me just check. 5:52. Wow. Peace out.